He knows you. Are you wearing the shirt we sent you?
No, not yet. He's probably too big for it now.
He's wearing it.
Is he wearing his shirt?
Yeah.
I got him.
I'm like, let's put this on.
Wait till you see the little shirt we sent him. It's so cute.
Yay!
No, I'm gonna try. Because I know the designer of this thing, of the t-shirts and stuff like that. This is our East Coast baby. We were knowing you since you were before you were even conceived. Yes, we knew how much your mama wanted you. Yeah. Look at him. Look at him smiling.
Yeah, he's very
And you are so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Hair.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look at our baby. It's our East Coast baby. Baby.
Look, he's just cheesing.
Look.
And drooling.